How to 3D print your parametric parts. You will need the STL files of the parametric parts, the Flashprint software, and access to the 3D printer. First, launch the Flashprint software. Click and drag the part files onto the program window. You can also click the load icon. The parts appear in the print space. The gray rectangle represents the printer plate. If the parts are intersecting, select one and click Move. Then you can click and drag the part in the table plane. Select both parts by holding the Shift key and make sure they are resting on the table by clicking the On Platform button. It is also a good idea to center the pieces on the platform with the help of the Center button. You can rotate the view by right-clicking and dragging. Check that the underside of the parts is blue. This means that it is against the plate. It is possible to rotate, scale, or cut the parts if needed. Then, choose the correct extruder. It is possible to add supports, but for these parts, they're not necessary. When everything is ready, click the Print button. Select the Preview option and make sure the correct material is set for each extruder. If you have placed supports, here they need to be enabled. If the part is small or does not lay flat on the table, add a raft. Standard quality is generally sufficient, but if you need more precision, choose high quality. For PLA, the recommended extruder temperature is 205 degrees and platform temperature is 50 degrees. The infill indicates the density of the filling structure of the part. 15% is good. For the other parameters, default values are usually okay. Hit Print and a dialog box opens to save the printing file. This is a .g file that you will need to give to the printer using the SD card. The software then generates the slices and extruder trajectories. You can review these by moving the slider on the left of the window. In the top right corner, printing time and material needed are indicated. Copy the .g file you have generated onto the SD card and insert the card into the printer. It is useful to clean the printer platform with alcohol before printing. Then, tap the Print button on the printer touchscreen and select your part file. The printer will first begin to heat up, then will begin to print once hot. When the printing job is finished, remove the parts carefully using the paint scraper. Please be gentle and apply pressure only horizontally rather than downwards to avoid scratching the platform surface. Don't forget to turn off the printer after you are finished.